Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a campaign. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Mailerlite, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a campaign in Mailerlite is a simple process that offers benefits for businesses, bloggers, marketers, and anyone looking to engage with an audience through email. Alright, so once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the Campaigns tab. You would be forwarded here to the campaign section, wherein if you haven't already, this is the perfect time for you to click this green button here that says Create a New Campaign. And then you would notice you will be given several types of campaigns that you can choose from. Number one option is the regular campaign. It is the standard email campaign. We can create and send a regular email campaign to your selected subscribers. All right. The A/B test campaign is to test different versions of your campaign for better performance. All right. RSS campaign automatically sends email from your RSS feed. The auto resend campaign is for the to give subscribers a second chance to open your newsletter, and the multivariate campaign is if you wanted to experiment with multiple different email variations and see which better performs. But for this video, we're just gonna click the regular campaign and click the continue button. All right. From here, you can try to name your campaign. All right. In my case, I'm gonna be naming it as campaign like this. All right. And then choose the email subject, maybe this. Can put in, is it okay to put in an emoji here? How about we put like an emoji icon like this, like the shades, kind of like a boss feel. Sender is this. Pre-header, if you want to create a pre-header, we can do that. And of course, the recipients, I'm gonna add all of the active subscribers. All right, click on select. So this is going to be the inbox preview. All right. And then you can also add in a UDM tags. It tracks the links clicked in your campaign with Google Analytics. If you want that, just click this button right here and click on the next button. You would be forwarded to the email design, wherein you can start from scratch if you are already have an experience working with Mailerlite. But if you want to maybe choose from a template gallery, all you're gonna do is click the template gallery here. You can choose from any of the following templates. You have the Black Friday sale, the announcements, or if you're working with blog and updates, you'll have all these businesses, deals and offers, e-commerce, events, and invitations, featured health and wellness, holiday, notification, surveys, and quizzes. But let's go for the all templates for now, and maybe let's hover to this section right here that says, is it gonna be how about we choose this holiday treats? All right. If you wanted to test waters, just click the preview to gauge if this is gonna be the template that you wanted to use. All right. If you want, you can click the view in browser. You would be forwarded here. All right. If I think this is going to be the template for your campaign, click this button that says select template, and you would be forwarded to the template builder, wherein you can customize the content inside of it. All right. Once you have chosen the pre-designed template, check a little while. Again, the loading is dependent on the complexity of the template that you have chosen, plus your active internet connection. So make sure you meet all these to make your editing smoother, and creating campaign is a breeze. All right. So here, now, if you want to choose a different image for this, you can do that. For example, this, you have an option that says replace image. All right. I'm going to be choosing this one right here. I'm going to select insert that. All right. And then I'm going to change the title into maybe this one right here. Now you see, you can customize every elements here. I'm gonna make it underline. You can also choose the font color, maybe kind of like a green. And of course, you also have an option to choose the font style. If it's gonna be Arial, Helvetica, Inner, Manrope. Let's say I'm gonna use Anton. You see that? So looks good. Looks good. For the background image, if you wanted to choose a background image, all right, you can choose from any of the following. Click on browse. If you wanted to use maybe D Flaps, our logo, let's click on the insert, and that's gonna be our background. So in this case, I'm gonna be choosing a different color for this because it can't be seen. Like maybe a black for now, or I don't know, maybe a different color. All right, so that's that. You can increase the top padding if you want. You see that? Or smallest in the bottom padding as well. Background style, is it going to be fill or fit? We're going to make it the fill. Background color is kind of like, maybe let's choose this one right here. Better suits our campaign. All right. Now, on the actions button, you can save this as a template. Let's do that later. All right. But for now, let's click on save just to make sure that we have the updated campaign for testing. You see there is a drop-down menu here that says preview test, but please wait because it's saving your template or campaign. Takes a little while depending on the complexity of the data. But if you click the preview and test, if you want to click the preview mode, this should what it looks like in terms of the desktop. Again, for the desktop, seems really good, right? It's very responsive. Try that to mobile. And now it looks responsive, and I think we are good to go. Now, you also have an option to save this as a PDF in case you wanted to export that. You also have an option to open the PDF. Let's cancel that for now. Copy the URL if you want to send this to your social media channels such as WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. Send it to your client. All right, so let's click this and click the send a test email to see if our campaign is set in motion and ready to go. All right. Takes a little while. All right. Now there's going to be a dialog box here that you would have a dialog box here to send a test to. Click this and test. Now, you want to make sure that the account is not active yet, all right? So just make sure that the account is active. But for now, since we have saved it, and again, if you have the option to save this as your template here in Mailerlite, all right? Enter the template name, for example, G Laughs campaign template. It's very easy. All I'm going to do is click on save. All right. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.